Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Lexmark NB2236i device, and now I'm gonna show you how to update and firmware on this device. So firstly, you need to open m.web server. As you can see, I am in the m.web server. To open it, you need to insert into input IP of your printer into your browser, and that's it, and you will open the m.web server. But you need to know that if you want to check the m.web server address, you just need to click on the Wi-Fi button on the right top corner of your printer screen, and under the name of the Wi-Fi you have connected, you will see the IP from m.web server. So great. Then open m.web server, click device, scroll down and find here update firmware. Scroll down again and click check for updates. As you can see, new firmware is available, so I can install new version of my firmware. As you can see, now I have 076 and I can have 081. So by downloading some firmware, you agree to be found by the end user license agreement. If you don't agree, so click I don't agree, but I agree and I want to update the firmware of my printer, so click yes, I agree and update. So printer now is in update mode, and I see the communicating the printer that do not turn off the printer or m.web server. So now you need to leave your printer for 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I don't know, and just wait. So as you can see, now I have the mistake of connection and error with connection to the printer. Is because my printer is still in updated mode. I have 95% in my printer now, so just wait for it. So great, that's it. My printer is successfully updated, so now we need to reload the m.web server page. So just reload it, and great. Now just check the settings, update firmware, check for updates, and as you can see, the current firmware version is up to date. So you can check how much time it was taken, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.